Solatube International presents the M74DS installation video. Always read through printed installation instructions prior to any installation. The M74DS roof assembly is available in 4 different pre-assembled configurations. Spectralite Infinity extension tubing with tab lock connection system is available in 24-inch and 48-inch lengths. The M74DS diffuser comes pre-assembled with a prismatic lens. Tube belt with belt latch. Fastener kits are provided for roof assembly and tubing. A variety of tools are necessary to complete the installation. There are a wide variety of rivet guns available. For multiple installations, Solatube International recommends using a powered or pneumatic rivet gun for ease of installation. Curb construction details. The outside dimensions of the curb should be 34 1/2 inches by 34 1/2 inches square to allow for a 1/2 inch waterproofing membrane. Level curb top and plumb curb walls to ensure tubing is level inside of building. If necessary, add shims to curb top to level. For ease of installation, carefully place roof assembly upside down onto roof curb. Remove protective liner from tubing prior to assembly. Align fastening holes. Using rivet gun, install tube rivets. Each tube is equipped with 2 belt alignment tabs. Bend tabs out 90 degrees for proper belt alignment. Position tubing so that tube seam and tube collar seam are on opposing sides. Install extension tube to tube collar using tab lock connection system. Continue to engage remaining tab locks with each long section of tubing resting on outside of tubing or collar and tube locks visible from outside of tubing. Assemble tube belt. Place tube belt over tubing and position over tube collar and extension tube connection seam. Align tube belt by using belt alignment tabs. Notice how the belt aligns below the tube belt alignment tab and above the collar belt alignment tab. While holding tube belt in place, carefully pull up on tubing to engage tab locks. Close belt latch to fasten tube belt. Bend tabs over tube belt to lock into place. For tube lengths greater than 48 inches, or for multiple tube attachment, please refer to the printed Solatube M74DS installation instructions. Install diffuser using tab lock connection system. Assemble tube belt. Bend belt tabs out 90 degrees for ease of installation. Place belt over diffuser and tube connection seam and close belt latch to fasten tube belt. Carefully remove completed assembly and place onto roof curb. Fasten roof assembly to curb using provided fasteners. You may now enjoy the benefits of your Solatube daylighting system and the high-performance natural lighting it provides.